Can you give us a quick overview of the work you do today and who you help?
Yeah, a little bit about me. So, do you happen to remember that TV show from back in the day, The Super Nanny, by any
I
chance?
don't, but I can probably.
Okay, so I'm older than you. So there's like one of the first reality show of all time was this show where this woman, Joe Frost, would go into people's homes, and the homes were pretty chaotic. The kids were talking back and screen issues, and the parents were just lost and confused. And I was watching that show 20 years ago, and I was like, that's a really good idea. Like, that's really interesting, going into the intensity, the intimacy of someone's home and helping. And I was already helping kids and parents at that time. And I turned to my wife, Danielle, and I was like, I feel like I should be doing that. I feel like I can do that. And then I had to grow up. I had to read books. I had to learn about all these different things. And then the business was going very well. It was helping people in person in their homes in the San Francisco Bay Area. And then one day I had an idea of like making a parenting video, and it freaking sucked. It was horrible. And then I made more, and they were horrible, and nobody watched them. But I feel like, look, I feel like I should be doing this. Like, this is like kind of like a calling. At that time, there's a lot of women making parenting content, but there weren't a lot of men, and like regular men like me who like football. I like Costco hot dogs. I'm going to MMA fight this weekend. I like, I'm a regular guy. And so, and then one thing led to another. And then now what I do mostly is, I kind of just make those videos for fun. But for a long time now, my work is mostly through Zoom. When I'm working with parents who are in the thick of it, who are going through really hard times, and they need someone to help them come together, help them get this kid on a good track, help them bring more love and order, obedience, and all that good stuff into their homes. That's me.
Yeah, it's great work. People need the help. They absolutely do.